Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we discuss about one of the important topic of class 12. This is a partnership. In this video, we discuss about meaning and features of partnership. Now you can see on your screen one instruction is given. Please watch the pages carefully and observe what is communicated. Now one by one, I show you some pages slide. You have to observe it carefully. You have to observe carefully all the pictures with communication. Yes, now you can see if you observe carefully, it is this both person join together, make the agreement and name the business firm. It is partnership that we learn today. Now the these both are now partners. Okay. Now, today we learn meaning and features of partnership. If you want to join and start a business, you must be aware about what is the meaning of partnership and what is the feature of it. You want what is the legal provision for it. So first we understand meaning of partnership. So as per section 4 of Indian Partnership 1932, partnership as the relationship between persons who have agreed to share the profit of a business carried on by all or any of them acting for all. Based on this definition, we are able to identify some features or characteristics of partnership. The first feature is two or more person. Minimum 2 person is required and maximum 50% is required if you want to start a partnership. You can see on your slide, in order to form a partnership, there should be at least 2 person is compulsory. The minimum number of partners in a firm can be 2 and the maximum number of partners can be 50. Up to 50, you can give admission of new partner in your partnership firm. So this is the first and very important features of partnership. In many time board exams, MCQs comes minimum and maximum number of partners, the minimum 2, maximum 50. One more features, yes, you can, if you observe the slide, then there is an agreement between two or more persons for doing business, for sharing their profit and loss, and they make some written agreement. This agreement is known as a partnership deed. Now, one more important term here comes is partnership deed. So what is partnership deed? It is a written agreement between partners. Partnership deed means it is written agreement between partners. It is known as a partnership deed. One more feature is business. So in partnership, you are allowed only legal business. Illegal business, it is not allowed in a partnership form. Not only in partnership, any type of illegal business is not allowed. Any form of business, or either it is company, sole proprietorship, any form of business organization, you are allowed only legal business, lawful business. Like in Gujarat, you are not allowed to start business of wine, okay, because it is illegal. Gujarat government is not give permission to you. Okay, one more important is mutual agency. In definition, you can see it is acting for all. Okay, many times all partners are not able to contribute herself or himself in a partnership form. So in this situation, all partners are agree and they are ready to act instead of all, any two or three partners on behalf of all. So it is known as a mutual agency. All partners mutually agree, okay, this person is work for all. Okay, so it is known as a mutual agency. The business of partnership concern may be carried on by all partners or any of acting for all. There exists a relationship of mutual agency between all the partners. Each partner's carrying on a business is a principal as well as the agent for all other partners. One more feature is sharing of profit. Okay, so they all the partners join in a business, form a partnership firm for what purpose? Earning a profit. So one of the important, they join for sharing a profit, not for loss. If loss is arise, they have to share. But the objective is they join partnership for earning a profit, for sharing a profit. So another important element of partnership is that the agreement between partners must be to be share profit and loss of a business. If some person join hands for the purpose of some charitable activity, it will not be termed as a partnership, as well it is also not termed as a business. If you do charity activity, then it is not a partnership. Okay. One more feature is liabilities. The liabilities of the each and every partners is unlimited. Now, what is meaning of unlimited liabilities? Unlimited liabilities means you have to sell your personal property, private property, assets to pay off the firm's debt. Okay, it is known as a unlimited liabilities. If business asset is not sufficient for payment of debt, then you have to sell your personal property, personal assets, and repay the debt. Okay, so each partner is liable jointly with all the other partners, not only the liabilities of the partners for act of the firm is also unlimited. This implies that its private asset can also be used for pay of the firm's debt. Okay, thank you very much. Yes, dear friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.